Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video because I am trying out the new release from Nomad. The eyeshadow palette has a beautiful color story. I've been loving the palettes that I've picked up from them in the past, so I'm really hoping that this lives up to my expectations, as well as this is the first time that they've released lip glosses, which we tried out. That is what I have on my lips. I am really excited to dive into this and just do some swatches, give you my thoughts, show you what the colors look like. But you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now, if you want to see how I got this very bold, vibrant, colorful look, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, to say that I'm excited for this release from Nomad would be an understatement. I saw this palette and I was just in love with the color story and the idea of it. So this is from Nomad Cosmetics, and this is Untitled Provence. I probably said that wrong. Provence? So when you look at Nomad Cosmetics and their packaging, so this is the outer carton, and on the back you also get the color story and you get more details about where you're going on this adventure. So it's Provence, France, coordinates are the lavender fields, and inspiration is Le Fetes. I'm probably butchering that. But when you start reading the names of the colors and then even looking at the pressings. So this is the palette itself. It has the same artwork as the outer carton. And then when you go inside here, there is a mirror, which I appreciate because sometimes you just need a mirror when you travel, and it's a decent sized one. But then you look at the artwork on here and even the pressings. Like this one has the little macarons, this one has the grapes, the bees, this one has a wine bottle, just the small details. Ooh, and then even for lavender, you have the lavender branches, which when I received this package, I purchased it online. I also picked up some of the lip glosses, which we'll go into in a little while. They also put in a little satchel of lavender. Love the details. It just takes you there. So I feel like this is an entire story when you open the package. And then of course they give you a little card with some details on what inspired them. And I absolutely love receiving my packages from Nomad that I purchase. So I'm interested to dive in. It does say that there are 10 buttery mattes and 5 sparkling shimmers. The lip glosses, their newest product, is a cushiony lip gloss with multicolored pearls and hydrating oils in 4 radiant shades. So I'm excited to dive into those as well. Let's see, we get some pastel shades. We have some really pretty darker hues, like more on the purpley side. But the shimmers, look at these right here. So let's go ahead and swatch those 5 shades. Okay, these shades are so buttery smooth. They're also all in the middle row of this palette. This first shade is Flûte et Corset. So beautiful. This is just a light pink with kind of a blue shift in it. Then you have Fleur de Mimosa, and I did swatch them out of order. That was my mistake. This one is just a luscious yellow, such a vibrant shade. Then you have Savon de Marseille. That purple is stunning. I feel like these 2 shades right here would be stunning together, but I also don't want to overdo it. Then this light blue shade is Bouche d'Oron. And I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing them wrong. I am trying my best. I went to Paris. I loved it there. I tried to learn the language, but I was not very good at it. This light blue shade is super icy, just kind of like a periwinkle hue. And then this shade right here is Navets, which is just a really pretty like orangey yellow, so shimmery metallic. So let's go ahead and swatch them right here. Ooh. And then I still have this one right here. Look at those shades. Absolutely stunning. I really want to play with that yellow and this pinky shade. Okay, so looking at this palette, I thought I was gonna stick with mostly the yellow shades, but I actually just changed my mind and I'm interested to see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna try is Rosé, and I'm going to put this into the crease. I absolutely love the pressing on this because it has the beautiful wine glasses that are cheering or toasting. All right, so in the crease. Ever so slightly, and I still have some beautiful color payoff. I'm gonna go in just a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Vintage. This has the beautiful pressing of the grapes. Still on my fluffy crease brush, pick up this shade and then place it just underneath where I went, and then the outer V. Ooh, that is such a beautiful shade. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Macarons, which I absolutely love Macarons. When I am in Paris, or even like when I go visit my sister in New York, I always had to stop and pick them up. And this one I'm gonna just go into my compacted brush. We're going to place this right here in the outer V, but place it before we blend it out. And it's gonna take on that pink hue on the outer edge. No extra product, I'm just gonna go back in on the outer edge to give some of that pink shade. Okay, I kinda wanna do a cut crease for the next shade. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my P. Louise base and a flat brush. That's the thing, is my eyelid does not usually touch up here where I would see like the outline or the shape of it. I just have to see where the fold is. Okay, and I just picked up my Luxie concealer brush, which is nice because it's got the little angle. It's gonna get into the corner. I'm gonna pick up the shade Fleur de Mimosa, and on the eyeshadow primer, it should be stunning. Oh no, it doesn't want to pick up. That's okay, I'll just get the inner corner and then pick the rest up on my finger. That is a stunning shade. It is just popping so beautifully. Since it's cut out, I can go back in with my fluffy crease brush and just on the edges, kind of undefine it. I'm gonna go back into Macarons on my compacted smudge brush and just on the outer edge, just push forward. It's like a defined hard edge. I think it'll be very interesting with black eyeliner, mascara, all that. Okay, so the face products are done and we've got to finish off this eye look. Now, I'm going back and forth on if I want to use some of the purple shades or just stick with the pink shades, which are so much fun. I think that's what I want to do. Sometimes the pop of color on the lower lash line is stunning, but I'm absolutely loving these burgundy pink shades. So I'm gonna go into Rosé. I'm gonna bring this all the way underneath the eye and then bring in some of the darker shades. Okay, so popping into Vintage. This shade is absolutely stunning. I love the pink hue to it. Place this and bring it to the middle. And then to finish it off, we're going into the shade Macarons. Going to just place it in the outer V and then use my larger brush to bring it under and make it cohesive. And of course, this shade right here, Flûte Corsette, is the most stunning light pink shade. So I'm gonna do that for the inner corner, but not necessarily the brow bone. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that shade is stunning. For the brow bone, I've been using my Revlon Skin Lights, which is the highlighter I have on. This is the one that they say is the dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. I love this highlighter. It is absolutely stunning. It is super affordable at the drugstore, and it is blinding. So this look is definitely missing some brows, eyeliner, mascara. So let me go do that and we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this eye look is a lot of fun. What's funny, you guys, is in the pan, they look like they were shades of burgundy, and then on the eye, they look like pink. They're absolutely stunning. Love how this turned out with the yellow and then that pinky shade on the inner corner. I just think it gives a little bit to it. I just think that pink shade is so much fun on the inner corner. I think it brings it all together with the yellow right here, the pinky shade, and then all the other pinks on the outside. So I'm digging it. I am not disappointed by this eyeshadow palette. Now we do have 4 lip glosses, and I did go ahead and unbox them. So there are 4 different shades, 2 very light shades, and then some that are a little bit darker. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them on my lips, and I'm only doing that because there have been times where I've like swatched them on my hand, and then the shade on my hand is different than how it looks on my lips. So this first shade is in Mayo, which is such a beautiful light pink shade. It has what looks like gold glitter in it. There's no scent, so if you're one of those that doesn't like scents, this is probably your shade. Now, it is such a pale pink with a gold shift. Ooh, it's kind of milky. That is such a metallic shade. Very, very, very metallic gold. Okay, this next shade is In Le Fête. Fêtes? This is such a beautiful glittery purple shade. On the monitor, it's just a glob of icy silver glitter. So I'm not sure about this. It's a lot of glitter. It's fun though. I just couldn't wear this to work. Okay, this next shade, this is in Rosé. Such a stunning magenta, and this looks like it has gold glitter in it. Okay, this is a lot of fun. I just don't know that this lip and this eye go together. I do also know that my friend Casey would steal this lip gloss out of my collection. I had one, it was like a lip lava from, I can't remember who it was from, but it was this shade, and I gave it to her and she has been wearing it non-stop. This shade is absolutely Casey's color. One last shade, and this is in Lavender. Lavender? Now, if the pink shade was as concentrated as the purple shade, as concentrated. I'm kind of scared for this one. Okay, it's not as pink and opaque. This has a really interesting hue. I might actually still wear this for my thumbnail and everything. This is a fun color. Did I think this was gonna be the shade that I decided to wear the rest of the video? No. It's a lot of fun. I'm really digging the purple hue and the glitter. This is so much fun. This is the final look. Let me know your thoughts. Are you picking up this new palette from Nomad? Were you looking at any of the lip glosses? Did the swatches like do it for you? I want to know your guys' opinions. This is the first time that Nomad has done lip glosses. There are some stunning shades in here. This one, so metallic. I think it'd be stunning on a lipstick. It wasn't my vibe today. This purple is giving me everything. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. I'm really excited to know what your opinions are, if you're picking it up, if you're passing on it. Do you like Nomad? Have you heard of them before? Absolutely loving the palettes that I have purchased from them recently. You guys, I am so struck by this eye look and this lip together. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in the next one.